Now let's go back to the volume indicator. So I told you that you can move this friction knob or friction ring to adjust the volume. And this is a key part of learning how to use the micropipette correctly. Because just like in a recipe, it would be a really big problem if you used 1 cup of salt for making chocolate chip cookies instead of 1 tablespoon of salt. So we have to make sure that the volume is set correctly. So because this is the P1000, the top number or the top spot is going to be the 1000th place. In contrast, if you're using a P200, the top spot is going to be the 100th place. In a P20, the top spot is going to be the 10th place. So in this case, right, that top spot is the 1000th place. So from top to bottom, we read 100, and that is 1000 microliters. So that's the first thing that we're doing. We're gonna set the volume of our pipette. The next thing that we're gonna do is add a tip. So what you can see here, I showed you that there is a hole or opening in the barrel. This micropipette you can think of as very similar to a straw here. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my straw. And what do you do with a straw? You suck in and suck out, right? And then liquid moves up and down. Okay, so I'm not gonna show this because I'm in the lab right now, but you can think of the micropipette being like a straw. And so you do not want to be using the pipette itself as a straw, right? You want to use a disposable tip in order to protect the micropipette itself and make sure this doesn't get contaminated. So this is what we do. We add a tip to our micropipette. Okay? So I want you to just have that absorbed. When you're using a micropipette, you always attach a tip.